Standard 10 Language Study. Question 1 Language Study 10 marks. Part 1 of 5. Question 1a. Do as directed. First, complete the words by using correct letters. 2 marks. Answer: reach, transfer, election, around. Second, put the following words in an alphabetical order. 2 marks. Answer: first, curiosity, dark, important, road. Second, parents, perfect, plentifully, pretended. Third, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. Answer: first, my sister visited Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Bangalore. Second, how cute the baby is, said I. Fourth, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the given word. 2 marks. Banking. Answer: ban, king, baking. Fifth, write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. Drive, rough. Answer: drive, rough, right, left, fast, slow. Sixth, complete the word chain of noun. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. Path. Answer: horse, empire, end, desire. Question 1b. Do as directed. 2 marks. First, make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase. 1 mark. To dream of. Answer: he dreams of becoming a scientist. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. I want to learn computer. Answer: I want to learn computer so that I can do a job. Second, add a prefix or suffix to the following words. A. Success. B. Magic. Answer: successful, magical. B. Make. A. Success. B. Magic. Answer: magical effects of his speech was spellbound.